There's a famous story about how the microwave was invented. A chocolate bar, a scientist's pocket, one lucky accident. It's one of the most repeated invention stories of all time. There's just one problem. It's probably not true. The real story starts somewhere nobody would expect, a military radar lab in 1945, where not one single person was thinking about food.
Meet Percy Spencer. Orphaned as a baby, he left school in the 5th grade to work in a paper mill. He never got a formal education. He taught himself electrical engineering by reading books. By World War II, this self-taught kid from rural Maine was one of the top radar engineers at a company called Raytheon. His job, build the magnetron, the part that makes radar work, faster and cheaper than anyone thought possible.
And here's the story you've probably heard. One day, Spencer is standing next to an active magnetron. He reaches into his pocket, and the chocolate bar he was saving has melted into a gooey mess. Curious, he tries popcorn kernels next. They pop. Then an egg, which famously explodes. The microwave oven, the legend says, was a happy accident.
But here's what most people never question. That melted chocolate story? There is no solid proof it ever happened. No lab notebook, no record from the day. It was told years later, and it grew with every retelling. What we do know is the real work. Spencer didn't just feel a warm pocket and get lucky. He and his team ran real experiments, and Raytheon filed the patent in 1945. The breakthrough wasn't the accident. It was a self-taught engineer who noticed something everyone else won't and actually tested it. The first microwave oven was nearly 6 feet tall and weighed as much as a bear. It took decades to shrink it down to the box in your kitchen. So next time you reheat last night's dinner, remember, it wasn't really a melted candy bar. It was curiosity, paying attention. I'm Boxley. Follow along and let's go time traveling again.